Experiencing crashes, freezes, or a loading loop with your Straight Talk app? These issues often stem from platform dependencies, network connectivity, or outdated app versions. Crashes usually occur due to memory leaks, especially on low-end devices. Freezes are frequently caused by unresponsive threads fetching data during high-traffic times. Getting stuck on loading often points to authentication failures or network timeouts. In most cases, a quick fix is possible. First, restart your device, then clear the app's cache. Make sure your app and device OS are up to date. A stable Wi-Fi or cellular signal is crucial. These steps resolve 70 to 80% of common problems. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, the issue might be more complex. Temporary server-side outages or API mismatches can prevent the app from loading, as observed in mid-2025. Consider disabling VPNs or ad blockers that may interfere with the app's network connections. If the problem persists, contacting Straight Talk support is recommended. Future trends involve AI-assisted troubleshooting within the app, like the diagnostic tool introduced in the 2025 update, along with integrations with AI chatbots for real-time fixes. Expect more reliance on progressive web apps, PWAs, to minimize platform-specific bugs, enhancing overall app resilience.